Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to track a transfer on Western Union. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in westernunion.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Western Union if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top right corner, we have these three lines here, and here you can go and see history, settings, your receivings and everything, and the logout button. And in the middle of the screen, you can go and send money online. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and track a transfer on Western Union. So of course, firstly visit the website as I told you in the start of the video. Then find and click on the track transfer link. After you have clicked there, you need to enter your 10-digit tracking number, MTCN, and any other required information. Then click track transfer to see current status of your money transfer. You can also track your transfer through the Western Union mobile app by logging in and navigating to the track transfer section. So that is your alternative if you don't want to use the website as we did in this video. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you can do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on our YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.